NCBrain is an NC optimization program that provides the optimal solution for easy machining with just 3 buttons. First, select the size and material of the stock. Next, open the NC data. After verifying the imported data, click the simulation button to start optimization. During the simulation, about 20 functions are automatically optimized. The first optimization feature of NCBrain is automatic feed control. Normal NC data maintains a constant feed rate in all sections. But NCBrain automatically adjusts the feed rate considering the load on the tool based on the recognized material. For example, if the feed rate in the low load section is 9,000, it will be changed to 2,000 to 4,000 in a heavy load section. NCBrain allows for safer and faster machining. The second feature is air cut deletion. While the original NC data recognizes all paths to be machined, NCBrain recognizes the areas where the tool does not touch based on the recognized material and automatically deletes them from the NC data. The deleted air cut areas can be seen as purple paths, which helps to reduce machining time. The third feature is the addition of toolpaths for overload. When machining with a 6mm tool after machining with a 16mm tool, the difference in diameter causes a significant load on the tool. NCBrain recognizes the load on the tool and adds paths to prevent tool damage. Therefore, NCBrain guarantees safe and efficient machining. Next is the 3D peeking feature. In corner sections, the contact area between the tool and stock increases, leading to tool chatter. However, NCBrain helps prevent overload by entering corners smoothly in a circular manner and adjusting the feed rate through the 3D peeking feature. The fifth feature is G0 height control for rapid feed movements. NCBrain recognizes the material height and adjusts unnecessary rapid feed heights, providing optimal machining efficiency. In addition, NCBrain has a simple toolpath editing feature, providing a worksheet that includes overall machining information, estimated time, and tool life information. It also allows editing and managing format files supported by each equipment, and provides its own FTP transmission method. In this way, NCBrain provides all the optimal conditions necessary for NC machining. With just 3 buttons, anyone can perform machining. It offers customized databases tailored to the customer's equipment, main products, and tools, achieving standardization of machining technology. NCBrain will always be your best partner in machining.